The Microsoft Modern wireless headset has been a widely popular model for those using Microsoft Teams because the attractive price point at under 100 US dollars. As far as I can tell, it seems like Microsoft has discontinued the Modern wireless, and although Microsoft hasn't made an official announcement, the feedback that we're getting from our customers is they can no longer find stock, and it's not even available on Microsoft's website. The best alternative wireless headset that our customers are switching over to, who don't have a budget of $200 plus, is the Boomstick Wireless. This is a great value wireless headset that's fully featured and will give you just about everything you could possibly need in a wireless headset without breaking the bank. Included at no extra cost is the included USB dongle, which connects to your computer, and it comes pre-paired to the headset out of the box. So all you need to do is connect the USB dongle and turn on your headset, and this will give you a much more reliable connection and better audio when connecting to your computer. Whether you use Microsoft Teams, Zoom, RingCentral, Cisco, and just about any of the other call software on your computer, the Boomstick Wireless will work. And built into the microphone is noise cancellation, so it's gonna help reduce ambient noise going on around you. But if you were in a loud open office or you had loud dogs barking next to you, don't expect the microphone to block out 100% of background noise. Unless you add microphone noise canceling software like Neep.com, that's the best possible way to be heard clearly without background noise, and you'll hear the difference here soon when we get to the microphone test. Also, many wireless headsets require you to purchase the charging base sold separately. The Boomstick Wireless includes it at no additional cost, so you can either conveniently charge your headset on the charging stand, or you can also charge it with the included USB-C cable. The battery talk time is rated up to 32 hours on a single charge, so you have plenty of battery without having to charge your headset all the time. In addition, the wireless range is rated up to 60 feet, so for most people, that's gonna give you enough wireless freedom to move around without a cord in the way. If you're someone who likes easy to use call control buttons that are physical buttons rather than touch sensor, then you'll really like the Boomstick Wireless in that aspect because it's very easy to find the volume controls and you can't miss the mute button. The Boomstick Wireless headset is gonna be comfortable for most people, and it comes in two different wearing styles, either dual speaker or single speaker, but just like any headset, there's not a one size that fits all. The only true way to know if you'll find the headset comfortable is simply trying it for yourself. But what I can say is the ear cushions are made of a soft memory foam wrapped in leatherette. The headband is adjustable with padding at the top of the headband, and the ear cushions can swivel so that way they fit properly against your ears, as well as the microphone can be rotated to be worn on the right or left. Keep in mind, it's not uncommon when trying a new headset for there to be some discomfort at first. There's about a 2-week break-in period, similar to a new pair of jeans or a new pair of glasses. In the case the headset's putting too much pressure against your ears, causing a headache or ear pain, you can actually bend the headset outwards so it doesn't fit as tight. You would simply bend it outwards and then repeat this process until it doesn't fit as tight on your head. Also, it's nice on the Boomstick Wireless that the speakers swivel. That way the ear cushions fit properly against your ears. Whereas on the Microsoft Modern Wireless, it covers both of your ears, but the speakers don't swivel, so it feels like the cushions are off center. Lastly, the Boomstick Wireless includes a 3-year hassle-free warranty, which is pretty unheard of, especially for an entry-level wireless headset. And best of all is there's no paperwork to fill out or frustrating warranty process with hidden fees.
This is how the Microsoft Modern wireless headset would sound like in a quiet environment. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's no background noise. Testing 1, 2, 3. With no background noise, this is how the Boomstick Wireless would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's no background noise. Testing 1, 2, 3. With a baby crying, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is how the headset microphone sounds like. Testing 1, 2, 3. With a baby crying and Neep turned on, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's a baby crying. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is what it would sound like with a baby crying. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's a baby crying. Testing 1, 2, 3. With a baby crying and Neep turned on, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's a baby crying. Testing 1, 2, 3. With dogs barking and Neep turned off, this is what it sounds like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's dogs barking. Testing 1, 2, 3. With Neep turned on, this is how it sounds like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's dogs barking. Testing 1, 2, 3. With dogs barking, this is how it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's dogs barking. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is what it would sound like with Neep turned on. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's dogs barking. Testing 1, 2, 3. With people talking in the background, this is how it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's people talking. Testing 1, 2, 3. With Neep turned on and people talking, this is what it sounds like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's people talking. Testing 1, 2, 3. With people talking, this is how it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's people talking in the background. Testing 1, 2, 3. With Neep turned on, this is how it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's people talking in the background. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is what it would sound like if you were typing on a keyboard. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm typing on a keyboard. Testing 1, 2, 3. With Neep turned on and you're typing, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm typing on a keyboard. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is how it would sound like if you were typing on a keyboard without Neep turned on. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm typing on a keyboard. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is what it would sound like if you had Neep turned on and you were typing on a keyboard. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm typing on a keyboard. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Now that you heard the different microphone comparisons, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to order the Boomstick wireless headset and try it out for yourself, there will be a link in the description of this video, and feel free to use coupon code YouTube at checkout for an additional discount. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this in the future.